Hi, my name is Betsy. It's been 2 months since we've been locked down. And yes, it's been tough on a lot of people, and it's been tough on me too. But I just want to share with you the things that has gotten me through this. Well, first of all, yes, the grace of God. For He will always get us through this. But I also have other things that need to help ourselves so that we can stay healthy. First of all, I take Celogen first thing in the morning. Right now I've been taking 2 capsules because I'm part of the high-risk people that are in that high-risk area. Yes, I'm over 62. And also because of these oils. Every morning I've been doing the body reset. So what's the body reset? The body reset is when we increase the 5 elements in our bodies: water, fire, wood, earth, and metal. These 5 elements reside in our body. And this is what actually gets our circulation through. Our chi, our vital life force, where the blood and the nutrients are carried throughout our entire meridian system. We have 14 meridian systems in our body, 12 bilateral, and 1 front and back, so that makes it 14. Well, in these meridians, we have these gates or acupressure points that allow the circulation to flow. And when we have blockage in our body, the circulation doesn't flow. So with these oils, which are specifically designed for traditional Chinese medicine, meaning that it is designed for each meridian in our body, it allows the circulation to flow when we put the right oil at the right point. And with that being said, the human reset allows these 5 elements to increase within our bodies so that we can have a complete flow within our system. So when we do this every day, it makes us healthier, it increases our immunity, and it gives us a lot of energy, along with Celogen, because Celogen heals down in the cellular level. And with these 2 combined, boy, it's been awesome to be able to go out there when I have to and not have to worry about being in the high risk with the other seniors, because I know that I'm protected and my immune system has been increased. So if you have any more questions about what to do with your human reset, let me know, because I'm here to help you. But remember that they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. This alone can't help us. But with Jesus, we can do all things through Him who strengthens us. Thank you very much.